These days, there is a lot of discussion about earning income and investing in the world of cryptocurrencies. Before investing in the world of cryptocurrencies, it's essential to understand how they work. I'm Yashar, and I hope you're doing great. You're watching the RTMIash Trader channel, the first and only YouTube channel teaching advanced RTM method price action technical analysis. As promised, I intended to provide a series of introductory tutorials on the world of digital currency for those who are new to it. These tutorials, which I will name Digital Currency University, aim to equip newcomers with essential knowledge and tools required for earning and investing in the digital currency realm. Alongside mentorship price action RTM, we aim to guide our friends through the basics of digital currency, crucial for investment, and later delve into the world of Forex and necessary tools for Forex investment. Today, let's delve into understanding what constitutes the infrastructure of digital currency. Cryptocurrency, or digital currency, is a form of virtual currency that utilizes blockchain encryption technology to ensure transaction security, control the creation of new units, and validate asset transfers. Unlike traditional currencies such as the dollar or euro, which are managed by governments and central banks, digital currencies operate in a decentralized manner, predominantly on blockchain networks. According to the definition of cryptocurrency provided, we understand that it operates on encrypted technology based on the blockchain network. This technology has endowed digital currencies with 6 distinctive features, which include decentralization, transparency, immutability, high security, anonymity, and global reach. Let's delve deeper into these 5 properties of digital currency and ultimately familiarize ourselves with blockchain technology. Decentralization in digital currency implies that no single entity, organization, or individual controls the blockchain network, and it is not confined to a specific location. Unlike traditional fiat currencies where you need to visit a bank or a specific institution to open an account and obtain an account number, in the digital currency world, you can create a wallet with just a software installation. This wallet, which is essentially your account number, allows you to manage all your assets without the need for intermediaries. In simpler terms, decentralization means no need for opening accounts or visiting specific places. The second unique feature of blockchain technology is its transparency. Every transaction that occurs on the blockchain network is visible to anyone on the network. You can view all recorded transactions on the blockchain's website, including the time, amount of currency, and the wallets involved in the transfer. This professionally detailed explanation aims to provide a clear understanding of the fundamental concepts surrounding digital currency and blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized and distributed system for storing and managing data, utilizing a structure called blocks to record information. Each block contains transaction data and the hash of the previous block, linking these blocks in a chain. The blockchain is maintained in a distributed manner across all nodes in the network, and consensus algorithms such as proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS, are used for nodes to agree on the validity of transactions. The recorded information on the blockchain is immutable and cannot be deleted, ensuring the security and integrity of the data. Users create and sign transactions, and network nodes verify them. verified transactions are added to a new block, which is then added to the blockchain and distributed to the network nodes. Blockchain has numerous applications, including cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, smart contracts that are self-executing codes on platforms such as Ethereum, product tracking in supply chains, improving security and reducing costs in financial services, and creating decentralized identity management systems. Blockchain technology, by providing security, transparency, and decentralization, brings significant transformations to various industries and offers new and effective solutions to current problems. The process of transferring currency in blockchain involves several key steps that are performed securely and in coordination. First, the originating user creates a transaction, including the recipient's address, the amount of currency, and the fee, then signs it with their private key. The transaction is sent to the blockchain network and broadcast to all nodes. Nodes verify and approve the transaction, after which miners or validators collect approved transactions and compete to create a new block in proof of work, or are selected based on the proof of stake and other criteria. The selected miner or validator creates the new block and broadcasts it to the network. Nodes review and approve the new block, which is then added to the blockchain. After adding the block to the chain, the transaction is permanently recorded, and the recipient can see and use the received digital currency. Blockchain systems use cryptography, distributed structure, and consensus mechanisms to ensure the security and integrity of transactions. Miners in blockchain networks receive rewards for performing processes that help secure and verify transactions, mainly in the form of block rewards and transaction fees. To create a new block, miners solve complex mathematical problems, and the first miner to solve the problem creates a new block and announces it to the network. The block reward consists of a certain number of the network's digital currency, which is granted to the miner, and this reward decreases periodically. Additionally, miners receive the fees from the transactions included in the new block. The overall process of receiving rewards involves solving the mathematical problem, selecting the valid block, and receiving the reward. The miner who creates the block receives the block reward and transaction fees to their wallet address. These rewards motivate miners to continue their activities and ensure the security of blockchain networks. In the Bitcoin network, the mechanism for miner rewards and the number of coins in circulation is designed to incentivize Bitcoin mining and exert strict control over the total supply. Miners receive rewards by solving complex mathematical problems, proof-of-work algorithm, and creating new blocks, which include newly generated Bitcoins and transaction fees within the block. The block reward, initially 50 Bitcoins, is halved every 4 years, or every 10,000 blocks. This event is known as halving. Several halvings have occurred so far, reducing the block reward from 50 to 25, then to 12.5, later to 6.25, and finally to 3.125 Bitcoins. Besides block rewards, miners also receive transaction fees, which will play a more significant role in miners' income as block rewards gradually decrease. The total supply of Bitcoins is limited to 21 million units to prevent inflation and preserve their value. Approximately 19 million Bitcoins have been mined and are in circulation. As block rewards decrease, the rate of new Bitcoin mining also slows, with the last Bitcoins expected to be mined around the year 2140. This mechanism ensures a controlled and gradual increase in the supply of Bitcoins, maintaining their value over time. Subscribe and hit the bell for updates. Share suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching.